Hey guys, welcome back. I got a new huge package from the same seller again. So we can start off with maybe, let's start with the egg here. So this is a brown egg with like a pink face right there, if you can see. Let's give it a squish. It's soft and slow rising, which is so nice. Can't wait to repackage all of this because it's gonna look nicer. And we have another egg tart. I think I have like 3 or 4 of these. Again, the inside is like rubbery, like the feeling. And at the back is very soft and squishy. So the back is definitely more fun to squish than in the front here. And I think this one is like a fake copycat of that Sanrio ice cream squishy. It's very soft and squishy. Yeah, this one's really soft. Oh, there. And we have a green fish. I think I have the yellow version of this one. I forgot which color was it. Oh, this one is a lot denser than that. Ooh. Yeah, this one is kind of like a little hard to squish because it's so dense. But I mean, it's slow rising. And there you go. And then we have this cat toast. Oh, it's like a cat loaf kind of bread. So you have this cat loaf and its face is at like this front here. This is its like bottom. Oh. Very soft and squishy, and it has this very cute. It has its little ears as well poking out. There you have it. Then we have this green mini cupcake with a pink drizzle. It's soft and squishy. And we have a mini green macaron. This one is very soft. It's really soft. Like, it's really easy to squish, and it has a very slow rising feel to it, as you can see. So it's still rising up. And now it's done. There you go. And we have this egg with like a yellow shell. Hard-boiled egg with a yellow shell. There you go. It's soft and squishy. It's like a 1 second kind of slow risingness. Or 2 seconds. 1.5. Somewhere like that. Here you go. And then we have this pink bunny. Yeah, pink bunny hearts, and then like a brown bun. I think I have 2 of these plus this one. 1 and this one. So then we have a pink donut with a chocolate drizzle. It's a bitten donut. It's very squishy. There you go. And we have a croissant. Yep, croissant there. It's very soft. As you can see, it's like really soft. Very squishy. This one's really fun to squish. And it's so cute as well. I think this one's a, what is this? Chestnut cake. This one's very soft. Ooh. It's nice to squish. It's not hard to squish. But it's got a fast kind of dryness to it. There you go. And we have this pink mushroom. I have like five or three, I don't know. That's so cute. And this is a copycat of that Rilakkuma bear thingy. I forgot though. But this is definitely a copycat of that. So it's got that cruller donut, I think. There you go. And we have a pink panda bun. Ooh, okay, that was pretty slow rising. So this one is a little dense, but it's a slow rising. There you go. And we have this green bunny man. I thought this was gonna be a dense one, but this one is very soft. It's easy to squish. Like, it's just like a light one, and then it's already slow rising. There you go. And we have a blue teriyaki fish. I have the pink version of this as well. It's soft and squishy. And there you go. And we have this chipmunk, the pink version. This one isn't a dense one like the other one, I think. I forgot. I have the brown one as well. I forgot the other ones. But this is the pink chipmunk kind of thingy. Very soft and squishy. It's so cute. Yeah, it's really soft and squishy. There we go. And we have this bunny bun. It's a yellow one as well. And it's soft and squishy for a little one. And this one is another capybara-san slipper, a copycat of it, of course. This is a green version of it. It's very soft and slow rising. There you go. And we have this bear one, a yellow version. I have a pink version of this, and this is the yellow one. There you go. And we have a bear squishy. It's like a pancake, honestly. There you go. There you go. And lastly, we have this Rilakkuma bun. Oh, this one's very soft. This is extremely soft. This one is really soft. This is like you don't even have to exert a force to it. And it's also very slow rising. You can see that. Anyways, this is really soft and squishy. Might be the softest one I have. Yep. Yeah, this is the softest one I have. Whoa. Anyways, this is the best squishy. It's like... There you have it.